We have mastered the physics required to launch a rocket into deep space, but we are only beginning to understand the subatomic physics of the human body inside it. When astronauts enter deep space, their bodies begin to fail in ways we didn't predict. They experience rapid cellular degradation and develop severe insulin resistance, the hallmarks of an extreme accelerated aging syndrome. A report from the Guy Foundation found that beyond low Earth orbit, an astronaut can age 20 years in just 6 weeks. Professor Alistair Nunn argues that this isn't a simple chemical breakdown. It is a failure of the quantum mechanisms that power ourselves. To survive the extremes of the cosmos, we have to look past our traditional biological models and focus on how life operates at the subatomic level. Let's go deeper, past the organs, past the tissue, and into the microscopic environment of a single human cell. The mitochondria function as high-voltage engines. Scaled up, their inner membrane electrical charge measures millions of volts. This utilizes quantum tunneling, electrons instantly bypassing impassable physical barriers. This thermodynamic flow continuously dissipates massive energy potentials to maintain delicate cellular structures. If this quantum flow is disrupted, the engine misfires. It begins venting reactive oxygen species, free radicals, which trigger the catastrophic inflammation that damages the cell from within. Human life is an electrical structure, and it is entirely reliant on the perfect, uninterrupted movement of these subatomic particles. This cellular machinery didn't evolve in a vacuum. It was forged in the extreme thermodynamic gradients of early Earth, likely near deep-sea thermal vents. To keep running, the engine requires a specific Goldilocks environment, Earth's exact gravity, our planet's magnetic fields, and precise solar radiation. This is where we see the role of hormesis. Our cells actually require the physical stress of gravity and movement to maintain their quantum efficiency and build up a mitochondrial reserve. Crossing into deep space removes these essential inputs. Outside Earth's geomagnetic sphere, the magnetic field drops from 50 microteslas to nearly 0 nanoteslas. Without the constant stimulus of gravity and magnetism, the quantum electron transport chain stutters. The mechanical failure begins at the subatomic level. As the mitochondria fail, inflammation takes over, and the body initiates a rapid aging sequence that would normally take decades on Earth. For astronauts, the fundamental physical rules of their environment have been deleted. Their bodies are breaking down because the engine is missing its primary fuel. This spacebound collapse isn't isolated to the stars. It is a high-speed simulation of a crisis happening right now on Earth. We see a clear parallel between the accelerated aging of astronauts and the metabolic syndrome that dominates modern society. By remaining sedentary, we remove the gravitational stress the body expects from movement. By living in near-infrared dark environments under artificial light, we starve our mitochondria of solar signals. Our modern lifestyle effectively recreates the sensory and physical deprivation of deep space. In both environments, the mitochondria lose the hormetic stress they need to maintain quantum coherence. The reserve is depleted, and the system begins to fail. If optimal health is a physics problem, then treating it with chemistry alone will only address the symptoms. Supporting our biology means intentionally reintroducing the physical stressors and natural environments our mitochondrial engines evolved to utilize. Whether we are exploring the stars or thriving on Earth, our survival depends on aligning our biology with the fundamental physics of the universe.